Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use ChatGPT to help with your Excel. So what we've got here is some dummy data on some different consoles, and we're going to look to calculate the profit of these consoles with the help of ChatGPT. So first things first, you'll need to have an account for ChatGPT to be able to use it, obviously, and we're just going to head over now. So here we are. So what we're going to do to help calculate that profit is simply write a formula, calculate profit, and then we're going to specify where the cost and the revenue is to help form that formula. So the revenue is in cells B2 to B6, and the cost is in cells C2 to C6. We just state that it's an Excel formula. Perfect. So yeah, we'll simply put this into ChatGPT and we'll see what it returns. And there we are. So as easy as that, it's now given us the formula that we need to be able to calculate the profit, and it also just gives a little brief description of what that formula is doing and essentially of what you've requested. So I'm just going to copy and paste that now into Excel. As you can see there, it straight away highlighted the data that we need. I'll now press enter, and as you can see, that's our profit for our our total profit, for all our consoles. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.